In this video, we are going to review how to apply the distributive property. In the simplest case, let's say we have some expression a multiplying a bracket with b plus c inside. Then we have to multiply a times b plus a times c. Now we have been using this all the time, or well, not all the time, but very often. The more general form we're going to have binomial a plus b multiplying another binomial c plus d. So we have two terms in each of the brackets, and we're going to multiply the first term against the two terms of the second bracket, and the second one against the two terms of the second bracket as well. And this is going to give us a times c plus a times d plus b times c plus b times d. And it's with the second version that we are going to be practicing in this video. Let's say we have x plus 1 multiplying 3 plus x. We want to apply the distributive property to expand this expression, and we also want to reorganize the result. So we want to group together the like terms to write the result in a simplified version. So let's write over here expand and simplify. So we apply the definition we have here to write that we have x times 3, which we write 3x, we always write the numbers first, plus x times x, which we can write as x squared, plus 1 times 3, that's just 3, plus 1 times x, that's just x. So we write in decreasing powers of x, that's a standard way of writing it. So we have x squared, we have 3x here, and we have x here, so plus 4x, and then at the end we have plus 3. Let's practice with one more. Next time I'm going to change some of the signs just to make it a little bit more complicated. So we need to again multiply the terms of the first bracket against the terms of the second bracket. We have x times 3 to give us 3x plus x times 2x, that's going to give us 2x squared. And then we're going to have minus 1 times 3, because we have negative sign in front of 1, that's minus 3. And then we're going to have minus 1 times 2x, so minus 2x. We write the highest power of x first, 2x squared, and then we have 3x, and we have minus 2x, so that gives us only one copy of x, then minus 3. I hope you are doing fine with this. Let's try one more. X squared minus 2x multiplying 3x plus 5. We proceed in the same way, applying the distributive property. We write that this is 3x multiplying x squared, so now we have 3 copies of x multiplying itself, so 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 6x squared minus 10x. We need to collect like terms over here to say that 3x cubed minus x squared minus 10x is the result. I'm going to write a few more problems for you to practice. You should stop the video and try to solve.